some nice views to start the day. Hang on, there's something behind me though. What is that? I think that's the year.
Yes, it's the end of another year. So let's have a quick look back at what I've done. I managed to go camping a few times. And froze my butt off in the process. I made some more use of the drone and started to get some good shots, I think. Until I crashed it. But I got another one, which I've got to learn how to use properly. I did some more touristy stuff, like visiting the Three Sisters and flying over a volcano. Now, plenty of short rides too, and interesting things to see. And of course there was the longer ride around the top of the South Island, which was awesome.
So there we have it. Pretty good year really. So I want to thank everyone who's watched my videos this year and subscribed to the channel. It really makes a difference. So I wish you all happy travels, and we'll see what 2023 brings. Hopefully some cheaper fuel prices. Anyway, until next time, thanks for watching again. See you later.